Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I actually got my Ipsy and my Topbox, so I will be doing two separate videos. One might go up on Monday and another one the other day. I don't know. We'll just see. So today in Ontario it is Family Day, so today we just pretty much spent the day with our neighbor across the road. We just took the kids to a bounce fest. They had a blast. Now they are sledding while my little one is napping. And I decided that I would record these now since it's nice and quiet. We will do the Topbox first, and then I'll do another video and we'll do the Ipsy. Topbox is the Canadian subscription. It is $15 a month. It comes to $16.95 in Ontario. So yeah, it's not that bad. I actually ended up canceling the subscription. Another reason because I see other people opening up their boxes and I'm like, okay, like Ipsy I'm paying, well, technically more money for, but I'm getting better stuff. So I honestly went into Topbox thinking that it was gonna be better than what it was. I mean, if you do want to try new things, I wouldn't necessarily, it's a horrible thing, but you know, it is Canadian. But like other people were saying on their YouTube channels that do the Topbox as well, like we honestly don't know much about Topbox at all. Like they don't put anything on the line. To see anything on their page, which is nothing, you have to log on. There's not much about it. So I don't know, maybe if they got a better website or got someone in there to, like see what their office is all about and all that type of jazz. I don't know, maybe. Like, I'm not saying that they're bad, it's just I don't necessarily know what I'm saying. I don't know. Some of the stuff in my box and other people's boxes is like a $3 item. Yeah. So anyways, Topbox, $16.95 in Canada. If you are interested, you do have to go on a wait list. So this will be my last one. Like if I had two, I know there's a couple of people that get 2 or 3 of them. They're keeping one box but canceling the others. So maybe, hopefully, they'll get better stuff soon, I hope. Thumbs up for you guys. So it just says, hey beautiful, here's your Topbox. We are diving right into winter with our must-have beauty products of the season. Each box is carefully selected for you by our beauty team and curated especially for you. So yeah, and then it gives like Topbox, yay, try with Topbox, that type of stuff. And then I have I got this little thing because I got perfume in mine. I think I box 2, I think. Yeah. So I got this Sunset Riot All Saints perfume. So just a little sample size like that. It's cute. Like I have some on right now. And I went to the door to say goodbye to my husband to take my daughter sledding. He's like, what are you wearing? I'm like, I got a perfume in my bag. Like, it's not a scent that I like or would wear a lot, I guess. But it's okay. Like, I probably wouldn't go out and buy it. But it's okay. It's a little bit too strong for me. But it's okay. It's a sample. Alright, this is what I was talking about. The Nova Scotia Fisherman lip care. Like, chapstick isn't very much money, so no other people got this box too. Not this box, this, like, that one doesn't smell bad. I think this is like a citrus one. Oh yeah, sea buckhorn citrus. So I don't know if I'll keep that or I'll just give it to my husband. He likes chopsticks too, so I got enough lip care stuff. But that was Nova Scotia Fisherman Extreme Lip Care in Sea Thorn Citrus. I'll have to try to figure out this focusing stuff. But that's it. Next up, it's another thing that someone got in their box. Other box? Maybe I got box. No, I got box too. Some other people got this in their box too. And yet again, it's another company that we don't really know about. There's literally just the name on it, and it's Cleo Noir. It is an eyeliner, I believe, from what I've seen in other people. Yeah, it's just like a black eyeliner, but it doesn't say anything else. It just literally says Cleo Noir on it. Next up, I got Mana Kadar. It says step 3. Perfect. 3-in-1 highlighter, shadow, and contour. I'm not going to open it just because it's a bunch of plastic on it. But if you guys could see the color there. I'm sure it looks really dark in the packaging, but it probably won't be that dark, so we'll see what it's like one day. Alright, next up, actually I think the last thing in my box is a nail polish. I know other people got their nail polish too, but I don't know if it's the same one. So I actually got a really pretty color. This is like one of my wedding colors, so I actually don't have this color, so I'm actually excited to get it. And it looks really pretty. Anyways, I got the Pretty Woman nail polish, and it is in something blue. So that was like one of my wedding colors. So I did like this color and like a lavender purple color, and it looked really good together. But yeah, like this nail polish, it looks really pretty. So that is everything in the box. Besides, I got all these like shavings. That's everything in that box. I mean, like, if you want to try new things, it's not necessarily a bad box. It's just, I don't know. I guess I went in expecting a lot. I guess that's just who I am. I go in expecting the world out of boxes. And I know I said that about other people, saying, oh, they expect the world from boxes. Like, I don't mind my glossy box. I don't mind all my other subscriptions. But I don't know. I guess I had high expectations for a Canadian box, and it's just not delivering that at this point. So I don't know. Maybe I'll watch other people's videos in the next couple months and see how and if they are getting any better. If they do get better, maybe I'll subscribe again. I don't know. It's not like it costs a lot of money. It's just I felt like it wasn't delivering. Does that make sense? But anyways, yes. So where's my coffee? Like, I'm on like my third one today. I feel like I'm just, I don't know, tired and just exhausted and drained. I don't know. Anyways, so we're not going to be doing that one again, but I do get single swag and I do like it, so we'll see how that one goes for the next couple of months, and I'll decide if I'm going to keep it or not. And then there was boxes that I seen that I could just get a one-time thing, so I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Alright, if If you are liking my channel at all, please make sure that you do subscribe and hit the bell for a notification of when I upload a new video. Yeah, that's about it, guys. My hair looks actually really good today. I'm actually surprised. I get my hair done on Friday, so I'm really excited about it. My roots are like horrible. You can't really tell because I put stuff in my hair to like not show my roots, but yeah, it needs to get done on Friday, and then I get my nails done on Saturday. So I'm excited for that. It's my daughter's birthday on Saturday too, so she's gonna be 7. Yikes. Anyways, $16, $16.95 with the taxes. Topbox, sign up for the waitlist if you are interested. Alright, bye guys.